2016 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, Xenon headlights, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, trip computer, fog lamps, power windows, remote power door locks, tachometer, leather seats, airbags, head-up display, panoramic roof, power heated outside mirrors, rear fog light, family value group, rear spoiler. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.